Hey guys, Doc Moshe with my very first video, and I didn't expect it to be like some kind of Blender tutorial video. I'm not that much of a Blender expert. I'm only using it for minor changes or using Auto Rig Pro to create a new skeleton for my project. Currently I am working in Unreal 5.2. I started out in 4.27 and that's why I'm using Unreal 4 skeleton for all of my characters, and all the animations I did are made for the Unreal 4.27 skeleton. Okay, a couple of weeks ago I bought this Synty Character pack, and all of those characters in every Synty pack is coming with a predefined skeleton, and I cannot use it. So I was reaching out to the developers and asked them, hey, is there a way to properly remove your skeleton so I can use my Auto Rig Pro to create a new one? So all of my characters are working with the same one. And basically they gave me two possible solutions, but in my case both of them do not work. So I was looking for way too much time to find a solution, and that's the reason why I'm creating this video. So maybe some of you guys do not have the same issue than me. The first thing I want to do is to remove everything from here and import the character I want to work on. In my case it's the SK character biker.fbx. This is a character from the Polygon City character pack, I guess. So now you can see the game ready character, and there are a couple things to remove. I'm not sure if there is some kind of order in which you have to do it, but it worked for me in this way, so I'm going to show it to you in this way. Okay, the first thing I want to do is to remove the vertex groups. You have to change to the edit mode, go to vertex groups, remove all vertex groups. The next thing I want to remove are the modifiers, and switch to the modifier tab, and here removed. The next thing I want to do is all of this is parented. The character with the material is parented to the complete skeleton. I don't want to have this, so right click on the character, go to parent, clear and keep transform. So this hasn't removed anything, but it will stop from deformations if you remove the skeleton. Now I want to create a new collection and only move the character mesh with the material on it to the new collection, so I'm able to remove everything else. And I want to hide the mesh just in case, so I'm not able to remove the mesh. Delete it and delete it and delete it. And everything which is left is the character mesh. If your setup is different than mine, the video basically is done. You have completely removed the skeleton from the character. Everything which is left is the mesh and the material. If you're like me, working in Unreal or using the Auto Rig Pro, I'm going to show the process on how I'm rigging the character. Okay, I bought the Auto Rig Pro, and this is I think this is a pack which costs around 45 bucks, but it's really worth it. Okay, I'm going to create a new skeleton. I don't need fingers or anything. Add the neck, add the chin, add the shoulders, wrists, spine root, and the ankles. Okay, go. As I said, my character is a 427, so you have to do some changes, otherwise the back looks really strange. Okay, everything else looks good. Match to rig. And I don't know why, but you have to remove the preserve volume and bind the character. The binding thing takes around 5 to 10 minutes, and this only happens when I'm doing it with the Synty characters. I have no idea if it's the Blender version, if it's the ARP version, if it's I'm working on Mac. I have no idea, but for every character I have to wait for like 5 to 10 minutes until this process is done. So let's do a quick cut and I'll see you. So the next thing I want to do is, in my case, I want to edit the pose. You have some deformations here. I either don't know why. I have removed them on my first character and it does work. So let's quickly remove them. Okay, now the character is done. Let's switch back to the object mode, mark everything. As you can see, A pose is here, and I'm going to export it with the AutoRig Pro FBX. So I want to have it in Unreal. It's humanoid. Let's check it. Everything is okay. Fix it if there's something wrong. And let's check everything. By K2 in my downloads folder. And now we are in my Unreal project. If you guys are interested what I'm doing, I can do some videos too, but I just want to show you that the way I'm doing it is working. Okay, this is my main character, and I quickly import the new biker and switch the main character so you can see all animations are working properly. Okay, so I already did the biker, so let's remove him, delete, and import in the downloads folder my biker 2. Open. When you import the character, you have to choose the skeleton. In my case, it's the SK mannequin skeleton, the basic Unreal 4 skeleton. Import all. As you can see, no big issues. Only the material does not work properly, so I'm opening the character, switching to the original Polygon City character. He is using the Matte Polygon City character 01. Matte underscore Polygon City character 1. Now he has his materials working, and let's switch to my main character. Character player. Viewport. Search for the biker 2. You can see in the viewport he looks completely normal. Compile, save, and do a quick test run. As you can see, he's working, he's moving, everything works properly. Let's pick up an item, and it's working. Okay, as you can see, it's not that hard. It takes quite a while because you have to wait for a couple of minutes for every character binding process. I really have no idea why, but yeah, I hope this video helped you, and if it does help you, consider like and subscribe. Maybe until next time. I'm not sure if I'm doing some kind of devlog. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. This was a really quick, unscripted video. I just wanted to show you the way to get it to work.